So, been working on this, insulating to the bottom, dampening the glass. I'm just going to cover it with drywall, workbench, bench. So yeah. Oh, now I forgot a bottle with hot water to thaw out this so I can use this primer for concrete. And I've been fiddling with the John Deere, started to connect it up. So one step closer to test started. Just doing this. I'm gonna solder this while waiting for the wall. So yeah, all right.
360. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the water and so I can follow this while I solder that. I'll show you when I solder it. Solder. All right. Bye.
We are back. Not sure where I can set up the camera.
That's a good question. Here's my solder pen, cheap solder pen kit. Can't find my other solder gun with a adjustable temperature. That's the best, but focus. There. Those two will be in a connector like that. The other one was split into the other one to get the RPM working. The rev counter working. And this one. The other one is volt. But yeah, not sure where I can put it. So, be right back.
There. Now it's done. You see the shadow difference. Primer, waterproofing. Also dust binder. Use this. Spray and paint. So yeah. This needs to dry a couple of hours. Then I can put down this. Put down a 2x4. Yeah.
Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.